check this out. This is a form created by Zoho Forms. And as you can see, it's a video embedded from YouTube with some text here and then a button that will navigate the user through each question separately. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, guys. And please like this video if it's helpful. Let's jump in. Alright, I'm going to take you over to Zoho Forms. Basically, we are creating a Zoho form that is displayed to the user with one question at a time. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on New Form, and then I get the option of choosing a standard form type or a card form type. We're going to choose card. We're going to name our form. And then you can start building. You have all of these components over here to the left, which are the same as you would with a standard form type. But obviously, with this type of form, you don't want to have too many questions to where the user's having to click through 20 screens, right? So this is for something short and sweet, very simple and straightforward, where you're not collecting a lot of information. Normally you would need name and email, so we're going to go ahead and drop those two on here. In my form before, I also had a terms and conditions, and this can be used in order to put your opt-in clause, or you could use this description component to give them that, but this allows them to actually agree. Okay, but here is where you can be creative. Okay, if you click on the welcome page, this allows you to upload images, videos, just whatever it is that you would like to display up front. And as you can see right here, I can either do an image or a video. Now I've actually used this, and if you guys go to my opt-in page, you will see the one that I have created. But yes, here, the one that I actually use. But yes, here you will click either or. As you can see, you can pull videos from any of these sources, which is pretty awesome. Okay, and that does include Zoho Work Drive. So if you have a video on Work Drive, you can place the URL here. You would probably want to make sure that it is shared publicly. You have the orientation of landscape or portrait, and then you can adjust the width and the height. Okay, so I am going to paste my video here, my video link, and now that brings me to this text box. We can add whatever we want. I don't know how many characters it will take. I know that I have added a lot of text, more than just a couple of lines to mine. Again, you can check my opt-in form, but feel free to add whatever it is you need here, and then that also includes links. So you can add links as well. Okay, this you can modify. You can change the text on the button. You can change the image to be at the bottom or the top of the content, and then we're going to click on save. Alright, so now we can preview the form by clicking here, and we will see our form, our content, our button, and then the fields that we included in our form. As you can see, you can select a theme. You can change your theme. Let's do that. Let's change our theme to this. And there you go. You can view it in tablet form for mobile, and then this is desktop. I'm going to apply this theme. Okay. And then to actually access the form, you can click on this button here and it will show you. There's the video. We could click on it and play it. If we had any links within our text or our the content section here, we would be able to click on that. Next will take us to the next question. And this looks really nice and clean, guys. I mean, this is useful. Even if it's just a simple opt-in page of some sort, this is really handy. Now, obviously, you have the choice to change this to your own thank you page from your own website with your domain, which I highly recommend instead of using the default. And that is it. This is short and sweet, guys. Again, utilize this. This is great for opt-ins. This is great for having your visitors, your users, your customers accept terms and conditions on anything. And then also, just like usual, you can set up an integration to push this data, this information, their name, their email, their consent, straight to another source, which could be your CRM. It could be campaigns, projects, any of these options that you see here. All right, if you have questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer as many as I can, or you can also set up a Q&A with me. Just use the link in the description. All right, guys, until next time.